Okay, so I will put out a brief little model of me showing you how to do each lesson so that you have an example. One thing that I'm gonna send out is this little paper right here. This is really helpful for when you're converting between units. So I'll refer back to this in just a second. All right, so if we're looking at number 1, we've got 2 miles that we're trying to figure out how many yards are in 2 miles. So you're going from miles to yards. So you're gonna refer back to your sheet. And if I'm going from miles to yards, I'm going to multiply by 1,760 because that's how many yards are in 1 mile. So I'm then going to multiply 2 times that number. So because there are 1,760 yards in 1 mile, I'm going to multiply that by 2. Which would give me 3,520. So there are 3,520 yards in 2 miles. Okay. Here we're going from yards to feet. So again, I'm going to look at my paper. I'm going from yards to feet. So I'm going to multiply that number by 3 because there are 3 feet in a yard. Okay. So I'm going to take that 6 and I'm going to multiply it by 3, which is 18. So with 6 yards, it's equivalent to 18 feet. Okay. All right, I've got 90 inches that I need to convert to feet. So I'm going to look at my feet. I'm going from inches to feet. So I'm now going I'm going the opposite direction. So now instead of multiplying, I'm going to divide. Because there are 12 inches in a foot, I'm going to divide by 12. So I'm going to take 90 and divide it by 12. Twelve goes into 90. Seven times. I am going to have a remainder. That remainder is going to be put here for the inches. So we've got 7 feet, 6 inches.